This is Karen Ramsey of Feel Fabulous with Food. I am here to show you my fabulous beet carrot burgers. They are simple and quick and great to add to your daily raw vegan meal plan. Beets help to reduce high blood pressure. They contain nitrates that help the liver remove toxins, and they improve blood flow to the brain. Here we have these super simple ingredients for these very easy beet carrot burgers, and they really take no time at all. So I'm going to start out with the beet. I usually use about 1 cup of chopped beets. And here's carrots. I use about 1/2 cup of chopped carrots. And 1 soft soaked medjool date, which just makes it slightly sweet. The juice of a lime. I'm going to take these beautiful golden flax seeds. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon and grind it down and add it to the burgers. Soaked walnuts. They've been soaking overnight, and I'm going to drain and rinse them so they are nice, soft, and digestible and ready for this wonderful recipe. I'm going to use some Simply Organic cumin. You want to make sure that you use organic spices that are not radiated. Simply Organic is a really good company. I'm not going to use salt because salt is highly inflammatory. Instead, I'm going to use dulse granules. 1 teaspoon of dulse granules. It's a sea vegetable. It's a good source of iodine. At the end of this video, I'm going to offer you my hormone boost plan because these foods all boost your hormones and they create a stronger immune system. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of golden flax seeds, and I'm going to ground them down. You can grind them in a Vitamix blender or in a coffee grinder. I'm going to take my walnuts that I have soaked overnight in purified water, to pour out the water. So I am draining them, rinse all of them. After I drain them, I am going to put them into my food processor. Next, I'm going to peel my beet. This is going to come out to close to 1 cup of beet. Chop it. And chop your carrots. It should be about 1/2 cup. Take your beautiful chopped beets and put them into your food processor. Take my soaked medjool date. I'm going to take out the pit, and it should be nice and soft, and then you're just gonna break it up and put it in with the carrots, beets, and walnuts. I have a lime. Couple of different tools you can use. I really like this wooden reamer. Some people like to use this lemon squeezer. So I'm going to use the wooden reamer to get my lime juice into the mix. I'm going to add the 1 tablespoon of golden flaxseed ground. And that is really going to bind it together and give you some nice omega-3 fatty acids. The last part is just adding 1 mild spice, which really gives so much flavor to these beet carrot burgers, and that is cumin. And I do recommend getting your cumin from a reputable organic company so that you avoid dangerous irradiation, because many spices are irradiated today. So I am going to put 1 teaspoon of cumin into these delicious burgers. As a salt substitute, I am going to put in dulse granules instead of salt. I'm going to blend up or process all of the ingredients in my food processor. After it's processed, you can go back in and scrape down the sides and do it one more time so that it's well mixed. Now it is well mixed and ready for me to scoop out and make these beautiful beet carrot burgers. I'm gonna take a big scoop of the beet carrot burger and I'm going to form a patty or a burger. And depending on your size that you want, there are some little gadgets that you can use to form burgers, or you can just do your own like I am doing here. This is a stainless steel English muffin ring, which is perfect for burger size. So you can take your English muffin ring, you can put it down, then you can scoop your carrot beet burger and fill in the English muffin circle. And there you'll have a really nice burger when it comes out, nice and round and firm. Here I have my beautiful red beet burgers ready to go into the dehydrator. I'm going to let them heat up now for about 6 hours. And during that process, I will flip them over and so that they are heated through, so that they are dehydrated through, and then I will serve them with a large salad. My beet burgers are done. I like mine a little moist, and I'm going to show you. You can dehydrate yours as long as you want. You can dehydrate them all day if you want to get the texture that you like. If you want to have them moist like me, or you want to have them more crispy, you can dehydrate them for longer. So I'm going to turn off the dehydrator. Mine have been dehydrating now for like 7 to 8 hours, and I like them a little moister. So this is really like the perfect burger for me. Still moist, still has water content. Perfect. So enjoy your beet burger. Remember to grab your free gift, the Hormone Boost Plan, just by clicking the link below in the description. Can't wait for my beet burgers.